Hey, it's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting you and your family this afternoon. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how Shelf Genie is going to look in your kitchen. So the right side of the refrigerator, you have a center post. We'll go ahead and remove that, attach it to the inside of the door, and we'll do a 2.5 inch on the bottom and a 2.5 inch height glide out on the top. And as you remember, we talked about keeping that shelf in there for support. All of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds. This is the blind corner. We'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch on the bottom, 2.5 inch on the top. And then when this top one's out, this one will slide across. So you can get what you need back there. And then you leave this back area alone for things like a roasting pot that you don't use, but you're gaining all this front space here. And then to the left of the stovetop, we'll go ahead and attach the door. And we'll do, this is called a tray bin, and you have 3 dividers, 4 slats, 4 dividers, 3 dividers, 4 spaces to put your cookie sheets, cutting boards, platters, whatever you need. And then we'll raise that shelf and we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch. So you can put all your saran wrap, your foil bags, whatever you need there. And then we'll walk over to the right side of the stovetop. And on the bottom, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch height glide out on the bottom and a 2.5 inch on the top. And then we will walk over to the sink area and we'll attach the door and we'll do a trash can area, and it will fully extend and it will be a soft close. It comes with these trash cans like we said. And then underneath the sink, a 2.5 inch, and then the independent riser. So when you're standing here, you can put all your gloves, your pods, your SOS screen, anything you need in here. So it's just easy to get to. So that is your Shelf Genie project. And then you did the basic grade with the upgraded rails, and I threw in the lifetime warranty. And then just so that you know, I did your bathroom real quick. We did not include it, but down the road, if you decide, you would have a 2.5 inch height glide out, and then the independent riser that we talked about, where you can put your hair dryer, your medicine, whatever you need, and then another one on this side with the riser, which is going the wrong way, but it will come out this way. Okay, but we didn't add this to the quote. So that is your Shelf Genie project right here. And the installer, Bob, will be calling you. And when we spoke, he said he would come out sometime Wednesday, but he will call you about that. All right. Take care. Congratulations on your home. It's beautiful. And you guys have a great week.